Hi there, thanks for using Q6 as your accounting software. In this video, I'll guide you on how to process JobKeeper payments in Q6. JobKeeper payments is an additional legislation by Australian government to provide wage subsidies to businesses significantly affected by COVID-19, which is intended to be paid directly to employers by the Australian Taxation Office, who then provides the payments to their employees. To check the eligibility on employer and employee, please check with ATO website www.ato.gov.au. Once you have confirmed employer eligibility, then you may need to notify ATO on eligible employees through single touch payroll settings in Q6. Let's go to Reports, Payroll, Single touch payroll reporting. Then select JobKeeper payment. Tick all the eligible employees and select their first JobKeeper date. Once all the applicable employees selected with corresponding first JobKeeper payment date, click Send STP to ATO. Then go back to the Reports tab to check submission status. If status is success, that means you have notified ATO with JobKeeper payments for each eligible employee successfully. Otherwise, you may need to check with the arrow next to it for following reasons responded by ATO. Q6 also has a self-checking function at Settings, Single Touch Payroll, to check the payroll details entered are satisfied with ATO requirements. After notifying ATO successfully, JobKeeper top-up payment or pay item needs to be added through Settings and Pay Item List. Click Add New button. Then type in JobKeeper top-up payment as wages name. Please select ATO STP reporting category as Allowance Others. Also make sure Is JobKeeper top-up payment has been ticked. Click Save. You are now ready for a batch pay run for JobKeeper payments. Select Payroll, Batch Pay Runs. Then New Batch Pay Run. Let's take employee Chris Stephenson as an example. You may notice that fortnight payment for Chris Stephenson is $1,400, which is lower than $1,500 JobKeeper payment amount set by government. Double-click into. What you need to do here is to click the plus sign beside wages. Then select JobKeeper top-up payment. Then input 100 to that line to make it up to 1,500 as per government legislation. Then click Save for Chris Stephenson. You may notice that fortnight salary for Michael Cardio is $1,710, which is above the required 1,500. Then you don't need to add JobKeeper top-up payment for him. Pay run as normal. Now click Post Batch Pay Run and return to the Batch Pay Run list. Double-click on the pay run you have just done. Click Send STP to ATO. Then that's all done. Thanks for staying with Q6, the most complete cloud accounting software.